Hello and welcome to TS Tech Talks new video. Although we are still on our Facebook Messenger series, if you are following up, this video is a follow-up of the previous video which I made on the sticker downloads and stuff. So I'm going to break this apart just in order for most people to understand, because some people are really not comfortable with long videos. So in order to make this short, I'm making this video differently. So if you already have your Facebook Messenger logged in, just go ahead and open it, click on your Facebook Messenger, and then scroll down to someone which you want to send a conversation to. So go ahead and click on a different person which is a friend, and I sent a link and a message to the person. So go ahead and click on your conversation area to open up the conversation. Next, you need to click on the emoji smiley or laughing looking emoji face just before the like button. Go ahead and click on that. So in order for us to download a new emoji, because these are the previous and the current emojis which we have already on our chat, we could actually use any of these, but for this tutorial piece, I'm going to show you guys how to download an emoji. So all you need to do is just to click on the plus button just at the right hand side after this cut. Go ahead and click on this plus button, and then you are going to see featured emojis. I really don't want to check out features emoji. I want to see all emojis, because the all emojis shows you more emojis, not just the one you already have. Before you download an emoji, go ahead and click on the name of the emoji. When you click on the name of the emoji, it's going to show you different emojis that it included in that particular. Sorry, I've been calling this emoji, excuse me. This is a sticker. So on the sticker store, you are going to see different emoji, different stickers, emotion on that particular sticker. So let's go back and select another different sticker. I just want something looking cool or something looking different or awesome. Let's check this. I think this is cool. Oh, really, this is epic. Let's go ahead and download this sticker. So if you want to download a sticker, just go ahead and click on this download button and wait for it to download. If you really can't do that, just go ahead and say back and it's still downloading. Just ignore that. If you want to confirm if it's downloading, you should go back and you'll be able to see the radar, and you're going to see the strength of the download. And then let's go to Avengers. Let's see what Avengers have. Let's download the Avengers emoji. Sorry, the Avengers sticker on the sticker store. I think this is cool also. So let's go ahead and say download. Once you click on the download, you can notice the download strength just below the Tony Stark's image. You can notice the strength is loading from 0. It's going to get to 100. Right now it's on 80. I think it's on 80. So my internet is a bit slow, so never mind that. And once done, just go back again, and then go to your emoji, your stickers again, and you are going to notice them all. So now let's select any particular sticker we want. Let's select this angry looking guy, because I sent a message 2 days ago and I haven't received a reply. I think it's not really animated. Let's see someone else. Still not animated. This is not looking cool. I like animated stickers. Really animated stickers. Let's see what this guy does. Okay, this is better. This is an animated sticker. I think I like it. Let's select and choose a different one too. Okay, this is cool. This is really cool. It's way better than the Avengers sticker. So this is how to download a sticker, and really I appreciate you guys for paying attention to this video. So each time you want to download a sticker, you can always click on the sticker, go to your sticker area, go to the sticker store, and then click on all, and then scroll to the navigation area. And then before I forget, I did mention this on my previous video, but I'm going to say this again. Whenever you come to the sticker store, you always get the latest and trending sticker. For instance, if you are in Halloween period, you are going to see different Halloween stickers, so you'll be able to download them and make use of them on your Facebook Messenger. But if you're on Valentine period, you're going to see Valentine stickers, and you're going to be able to download and make use of them. So that's how you get to download your stickers, and the latest stickers and the trending stickers that are trending already. You might have been seeing people making use of this, but you don't know how they did it. So this is really simple and really cool. I hope you understand this video, but if you do, please leave a comment, appreciate, and share the video. And if you have a friend who is interested in knowing how to download a sticker, please share the video with them. And I really appreciate if you share my video in your Facebook, your Messenger, whichever social media network you use. Please share my videos, because I really want to impact a lot of people, and if you're helping me to do that, I will really appreciate that. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, I really need to subscribe. Please subscribe, and then ask your friend to check out TS Tech Talks video. Really, I'm not that bad, and I'm just educated, and I'm trying to educate you guys with my tech knowledge. Not really a broad one, just a very simple tech knowledge. So very soon I'm going to be showing you guys awesome things and way to create more awesome things than stickers on Facebook Messenger. So just sticking and hanging there. TS Tech Talks got you.